The world of fingernail design is ever evolving, reflecting broader fashion trends and personal expressions of style. As we move through 2024, several exciting trends are shaping the nail art landscape. Whether you're a minimalist or someone who loves bold statements, there's something for everyone. Here's a look at the top trends in fingernail design and essential tips to ensure you get the best manicure experience. Top trends in fingernail design. 1. Minimalist designs. Minimalism continues to dominate, with sleek and simple designs gaining popularity. Think nude bases with delicate line art, negative space manicures, and understated French tips. These designs are perfect for those who prefer a more refined and sophisticated look. 2. Bold and bright colors. On the flip side, bold colors are making a significant comeback. Bright yellows, neon greens, and electric blues are among the favorites. These vibrant shades can be used as solid colors or incorporated into playful patterns and designs. 3. Abstract art. Abstract nail art allows for maximum creativity. Swirls, splashes of color, and unconventional shapes are trending. These designs often resemble mini pieces of modern art and are perfect for those looking to make a statement. 4. Metallics and chrome finishes. Metallic nails, particularly gold and silver, are making waves. Chrome finishes add a futuristic, edgy touch to any manicure. These can be worn as full sets or accent nails to elevate your look. 5. Textured nails. Texture is becoming a key element in nail design. Velvet nails, 3D embellishments, and matte finishes add depth and interest. These designs are tactile and visually intriguing, perfect for those who love unique styles. 6. Nail jewelry. Nail jewelry, such as tiny gemstones, studs, and even chains, is gaining traction. These embellishments can turn your nails into dazzling accessories, adding a touch of glamour and luxury. 7. Seasonal themes. Seasonal designs are always a hit. From floral patterns in spring to spooky themes in October and festive designs in December, seasonal nail art allows you to celebrate the time of year in style. Let us talk about what to look for when getting your nails done. 1. Hygiene and cleanliness. Ensure the salon maintains high hygiene standards. Tools should be sterilized, and the workspace should be clean. Ask about their sterilization process if you're unsure. 2. Skill and experience of technicians. Look for experienced technicians with a portfolio of their work. Skilled technicians can execute intricate designs and ensure the health of your natural nails is maintained. 3. Quality of products. High-quality polishes and materials can make a significant difference in the durability and finish of your manicure. Ask about the brands they use and opt for salons that use reputable products. 4. Range of services. A good salon should offer a variety of services, from basic manicures and pedicures to more advanced nail art and treatments. This ensures you can find exactly what you're looking for. 5. Customization and personalization. Choose a salon that listens to your preferences and can customize designs to your liking. Personalized service can make your nail experience more satisfying and unique. 6. Reviews and recommendations. Check online reviews and ask for recommendations from friends or family. A salon with positive feedback and loyal clients is likely to provide excellent service. 7. Comfort and atmosphere. The salon should be a comfortable and welcoming environment. A relaxing atmosphere can enhance your overall experience, making your visit enjoyable. In conclusion, nail design trends for 2024 offer something for everyone, from minimalist elegance to bold, artistic expressions. When getting your nails done, prioritize cleanliness, skilled technicians, quality products, and a personalized experience. With these tips in mind, you can enjoy beautiful, trendy nails that reflect your unique style and personality. Many of us wonder, can get your nails done be harmful to your health? While getting your nails done can be a delightful experience that enhances your appearance, there are potential health risks associated with nail treatments. Understanding these risks and taking preventive measures can help you enjoy your manicure or pedicure safely. Potential health risks. 1. Chemical exposure. Toxic chemicals. Nail products often contain chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and dibutyl phthalate. Prolonged exposure to these chemicals can cause skin irritation, allergic reactions, and respiratory issues. Acrylic and gel nails. The chemicals used in acrylic and gel nails can be harsh, potentially leading to nail damage or allergic reactions. 2. Infections. Bacterial infections. Non-sterilized tools and unsanitary conditions can lead to bacterial infections. Symptoms include redness, swelling, and pus around the nail. Fungal infections. Fungi can thrive in warm, moist environments like salons. Infected nails may become discolored, thickened, and brittle. Viral infections. Warts and other viral infections can spread through shared tools and surfaces if proper sanitation isn't followed. 3. Nail damage. Overfiling. Excessive filing can weaken the natural nail, making it more prone to breaking and splitting. Aggressive removal. Improper removal of acrylics, gels, or nail polish can damage the nail bed and cuticle, leading to pain and long-term nail issues. 4. Allergic reactions. Ingredients in nail products. Allergic reactions to ingredients like acrylates in gel nails or certain nail polish components can cause skin irritation, itching, and even more severe reactions like dermatitis. 5. UV exposure. Gel manicures. UV lamps used to cure gel polish emit ultraviolet light, which can increase the risk of skin cancer and premature aging of the skin on your hands. Preventive measures. 1. Choose a reputable salon. Ensure the salon adheres to strict hygiene standards and uses sterilized tools. Look for well-reviewed salons and ask about their sterilization processes. 2. Opt for less harmful products. Choose nail polishes and products labeled as 3 free, 5 free, or even 10 free, indicating they are free from the most harmful chemicals. Consider water-based polishes as a gentler alternative. 3. Practice good nail care. Give your nails regular breaks from polish to breathe and recover. Moisturize your nails and cuticles to keep them healthy. 4. Protect your skin. Apply sunscreen to your hands before using UV lamps for gel manicures, or ask if the salon uses LED lights instead, which have less UV exposure. Wear protective gloves with the fingertips cut off during the curing process. 5. Ensure proper application and removal. Avoid overfiling your nails, and make sure the technician uses gentle techniques. Follow the recommended procedures for removing acrylics, gels, and polish to avoid damaging your nails. 6. Be aware of symptoms. If you notice signs of infection or an allergic reaction, seek medical attention promptly. Avoid biting or picking at your nails and cuticles, which can introduce infections. In conclusion, while there are health risks associated with getting your nails done, many of these can be mitigated with proper precautions. Choosing a reputable salon, using safer products, and following good nail care practices can help ensure that your manicure or pedicure experience is both enjoyable and safe. Being aware of the potential risks and taking steps to prevent them will allow you to maintain healthy, beautiful nails. Here is information about how often should you get your nails done. The frequency with which you should get your nails done depends on several factors, including the type of manicure you get, your nail health, and your personal preferences. Here are some general guidelines to help you decide how often to visit the nail salon. Regular manicures. Every 1 to 2 weeks. As for basic manicures, if you get a basic manicure with regular nail polish, it's typical to have it done every 1 to 2 weeks. Regular nail polish tends to chip more quickly, so frequent touch-ups or reapplications are needed to keep your nails looking fresh. Nail health. Regular manicures help keep your nails and cuticles healthy and maintained. Gel manicures differ at about every 2 to 3 weeks. Gel manicure. Gel polish is more durable than regular polish and can last up to 2 to 3 weeks without chipping. It's generally recommended to have your gel manicure redone every 2 to 3 weeks to maintain a neat appearance and avoid overgrowth issues. Nail health. Allow your nails occasional breaks from gel polish to prevent damage and dehydration. Acrylic nails are about every 2 to 3 weeks. Acrylic nails. Acrylic nails require fills every 2 to 3 weeks as your natural nails grow out. Regular fills keep your acrylics looking fresh and prevent lifting, which can lead to bacterial infections. Nail health. Regular maintenance is crucial to avoid damage to your natural nails. Also, occasional breaks from acrylics can help your natural nails recover. Dip powder nails are about every 3 to 4 weeks. Dip powder. Dip powder manicures can last longer than gel or acrylics, typically for 3 to 4 weeks. However, like other nail enhancements, they need regular maintenance to prevent lifting and to fill in growth gaps. Nail health. As with other types of manicures, it's good to give your nails occasional breaks from dip powder to maintain nail health. And for natural nail care, weekly is recommended. Maintenance. Even if you prefer natural nails without polish, a weekly routine of trimming, shaping, and moisturizing can help keep your nails healthy and looking neat. Health. Regular maintenance prevents issues like hangnails and ingrown nails, and keeps cuticles in good condition. For seasonal and special occasions, occasional touch-ups are the way to go. Special events. If you have a special event or season that requires a polished look, you might get your nails done more frequently to ensure they are perfect for the occasion. Seasonal themes. Many people enjoy getting themed nail designs for holidays or special occasions, which might influence the frequency of their salon visits. Moisturize regularly. Keep your cuticles and nails moisturized to prevent dryness and cracking. Avoid overuse. Give your nails breaks between manicures, especially when using gels, acrylics, or dip powder, to prevent long-term damage. Protect your nails. Use gloves when doing household chores or any work that can damage your nails. Choose quality products. Opt for high-quality nail products and ensure your salon follows good hygiene practices. In conclusion, how often you get your nails done depends on the type of manicure you prefer and how quickly your nails grow. Regular maintenance is essential for both appearance and health, but it's also important to give your nails occasional breaks to keep them strong and healthy. Adjust your nail care routine based on your lifestyle, nail health, and personal preferences to keep your nails looking their best. 2. Can getting your nails done be harmful to your health? Explore the potential health risks associated with getting your nails done and how to mitigate them. This article delves into the dangers of chemical exposure, infections, nail damage, and allergic reactions, especially from products used in acrylic and gel nails. It offers practical advice on choosing reputable salons, using safer products, and practicing good nail care. Protect yourself from common hazards and enjoy your manicures with peace of mind by following these preventive measures. 3. How often should you get your nails done? Find out how frequently you should get your nails done based on the type of manicure and your personal nail care needs. This article provides guidelines for regular, gel, acrylic, and dip powder manicures, along with tips for natural nail maintenance. Learn about the ideal intervals for salon visits to keep your nails looking their best without compromising their health. Whether you prefer basic manicures or intricate nail art, this guide helps you maintain beautiful and healthy nails with the right balance of care and salon visits. Please like this video and give a comment